Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable microphone access on iPhone. So for you to be able to disable a microphone access for some specific apps rather, here's how you can get it done. Open your settings app on your phone. Alright, good. Once you open it right here, then you scroll down a little, then you tap on privacy and security. You tap on this, which is privacy and security. Then from this list, then you're going to scroll down and search for microphone option, which is right here. You tap on it, then right here you can see the list of apps that have access to your microphone, which kind of make it easier for them to track your voice or track your voice over on your phone. So if you don't want to give application a requested access to your microphone, then just simply turn every single green button on the microphone options right in front of each and every app. Just turn it off, and with that you have the opportunity to disable microphone access on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.